Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now as far as bokeh is concerned, you're not gonna get a lot with either of those lenses. That's just not in the cards for you if you're using a super wide angle zoom. This is the kind of background blur you can expect from the 11-22 at its 11mm wide end and an f4. And this is what you're getting at the 22mm tele end and an f5.6. Same test with the 10-18, currently at its 10mm wide end and at an f4.5. In direct comparison, the 11-22 does a little better when it comes to bokeh or background blur, but neither you nor your viewership is going to have the direct comparison, so for the end result it really doesn't make that much of a difference. Let's go to 18mm and check out what the 10-18 can do for us at its tele end and at an f5.6. Again, in direct comparison, the 11-22 does a little better, but the differences are marginal at best. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching and hopefully see you again soon.